All right, hey, good day everybody. I want to thank everybody that's been subscribing and watching the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a 2002 Magna dash radio from a single din flip out to a double din. All right, so hey, also in this video I'm going to cover doing the bedroom radio. In this particular coach, I know the lighting's not real good, I'll bring some more light in here, but in this particular coach you've got a single din bedroom radio here that it's a bit outdated, we could say. I've already got the radio out, and here's the old burlwood piece that was in there. So you had on the top the regular radio and then the VMS below, and some serious modules and a bunch of old holes. Got my new piece here that comes from Decorative Plastics off the internet. This would be just the California burlwood pattern, and then I've got it all laid out here in some masking tape. I'm gonna get ready to cut that out, and then this is all my knickknacks and gewgaws electric that I had to pull out of there. So we'll get this chopped up and show you it here a little bit further. So on a real quick note here before I get cutting this out, this is the saw of choice for me. It's gonna be a Bosch jigsaw. And then I use the Bosch hardwood Swiss cut blades. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the style blade that I'm running. Some people have asked me how I like to cut this plastic. So I'll use that Bosch jigsaw with the Swiss hardwood blade. And then I'm gonna put a couple holes here in the middle of this and this. And then we'll test my skills today, but usually I'm pretty good at following my pencil line. So we'll go ahead and chop this out and get this stuff installed. All right, here we are back in. We've got the radio installed here. Then we got the VMS silver leaf over here on the left. So that came out pretty good. That California burlwood's not a perfect match. You can tell the factory stuff's a little darker. Let me turn that radio down. But still came out with pretty good finish. Now I've extended the wiring harness because factory up here on the ceiling is where the processor and everything was. So we extended those wires, ran them over here to the right and left fronts, and then extended the wiring harness. And then used the video in on the back of this from the TV, and then pretty much eliminated the Bose. So that's the summary there. We'll get back into the back and we'll kind of show you the bedroom installation also back there. All right, we're back here in the back. I've got the radio pulled out of the hole here. Let me get some more lighting for you here. So we've got the radios pulled out of the hole. I didn't have the keys for it, so I actually used the Kenwood keys that came with the other radio. Slid them down the sides, released the two tabs here. I'll pull this cage out, put the new Kenwood cage in after I painted it black. Got your FM antenna here, and you've got your two speaker wires here. They're going to be your gray ones. You've got this green, it's going to be your ground. The red is going to be your switched, because that's going to turn on and off with the house connect. And then your constant is going to be this 47 wire, the purple, and that does not turn off. That goes straight to the batteries. That's actually the power that's used to turn on and off the house disconnect. So that's going to cover that, and we'll have just the two speakers here. We're not going to hook this TV into the stereo. We're just going to leave it separate. And I'll show you. I end up probably putting a Bluetooth microphone over here to the side, and we'll kind of show you it all buttoned up. All right, so here we are. We've got this back bedroom radio all installed. Got the Bluetooth microphone. Just kind of put a little notch next to that ABS panel there. Fed the wire out of there in the corner. And then we've got the radio set in there, turned off the demo mode, kind of set it to a nice orange little back display. Now this particular Kenwood is the KDC X703 Exelon, and it's got the USB port right there on the front, in the right side, so you can plug your phone in or your auxiliary in on there. And so that sums up the bedroom. And then up here in the very front, we'll make our way up to there. Got everything all put back together. Got the panel here reinstalled at the dash. This coach had a 2002 Pioneer navigation in it, so we removed it. Made this little burlwood piece to kind of cover that blank hole. And then we've got this Kenwood. Now this is the DDX 396. It's got a nice cam button right here on the left hand side, so that way you can bring up your backup camera. So that would be the factory backup camera, just plugged into the yellow camera in port and then unplugged out of the back of the old processor that was mounted there on the top of that ceiling. So we've got everything all done, integrated, came out nice. Got the vehicle management system over here on the left. It's gonna have all your engine stuff. The silver leaf kept that intact, and then we've got this radio here. Now we didn't go with one of the halos in this case because she wanted to be able to actually have a CD player right in the front of it. So this unit here will play CDs and what have you. Went and put the USB port down here on the very bottom right hand corner, so that way you can plug your phone into that spot and then it comes up to there, and then we've got the microphone right here located in that spot. So that kind of gives you the complete rundown on that. I want to thank everybody that's been subscribing to the channel. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you all have a great day, and that sums up the 2002 Magna and Affinity. So till next time, bye bye now.